MP ke Rajya Sabha bot President ke NPP Meghalaya Dr. WR Kharlukhi ulong bagi Jingkhang Dewiong kalakta bhai ki pajba ke jala. Ulong bo unra yakni ka mat parliament ban pen paw ke jing persha jang u yakni ka kam. Uba WR Kharlukhi ulai thur bo unra mat parliament yakamat ka be day bat ke jing ithui ka tien khasi bat garo.
You see, actually, I've raised the coal issue twice. It was listed twice, but what happened because of the problems, because of the halagula in the parliament, because of some issue raised by the Congress on this enforcement directorate investigation of that Herald, National Herald or something. So twice, not only twice, I think the whole session. It was most of the thing was adjourned, so I could not make it.
So, but what were you trying to raise there, sir?
The same thing which I've been speaking throughout, that now for almost 8 years, nothing was done on coal. What have my people done that they should deserve this?